Morning. Quite a lot of industrial traffic on this forest road. I wonder where that's going. Since about 6:30 this morning. Overnight, perfectly calm. Today I'm continuing west along the north of Peloponnese, which is new territory for me. It's about 2 days ride to Patras, where I'm going to try and get a ferry to Lefkonia, but I think I might have to continue further to catch that ferry. So today I don't really know what lies ahead. About 75 kilometres of coastline, all being well. Nice. What? Super creepy. What? He's come back to life again. There's some electronic shops in Corinth, so I was going to go there and see if they could have a look at it, but I gave it one last check. Perhaps it was just a bit damp yesterday. I tested it a lot with various cables. Okay, problem temporarily resolved. The pedestrian bridge that I couldn't cross yesterday. Here's the northern Corinthian canal bridge. I've got a sign here for a bit of Byzantine wall. It used to be 7.5 kilometres long and runs parallel to what is now the Corinthian canal. Amazing. Wow, Corinth is lovely for bike lanes. Swimming in February. So many sea urchins. Come back for a closer look. It's quite something. Calimera. 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 eye overlander recommended camp just 2 kilometres from here, but it's only 3:30. Don't need to sit in a tent like for 3 hours of daylight, so I might as well crack on. There's another recommended spot in about 25 k's, I guess. Hello. Hi. Hey, how you doing?
Hi. You?
Hi. Yeah, good.
I'm Trevor.
Hi, Trevor. I'm Helen.
Helen.
Hi.
Federico.
Huh?
Federico.
Federico. Nice to meet you both.
Where are you going?
That way.
Love it.
Towards Patras.
Patras.
Not
yeah.
today. Tomorrow, probably, or the
Yeah.
day after. Yeah.
Yeah,
We just came from Patras.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you have a place to stay there? Was it
No, we just camped.
camping?
there,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Where did you start? In Athens.
No. I just passed through Athens. I took the boat from Rhodes.
Yes.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which way are you heading?
We're going to Crete.
Yeah, we're going to Crete.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're studying in Heraklion.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Why are there so many cyclists in Greece in February? One of the guys, nice guys, one of the guys asked if this was my first trip by bike. I was like, yeah, in a manner of speaking. Getting pretty tired looking for shelter, and the road is about to go around the cliffside there, so I reckon it's just gonna have to be down here. No, is that a little bit of shelter for me? Woohoo! I've got cats and ducks and electricity. Let's see if this spatula crowter is improved with fewer coffee granules and a bit of tomato. That's the last car taken off. Now it's just me and the ducks and cats. Cheers. This spot is ideal as long as I'm left alone tonight. I've got light, I've got electricity, cats and ducks. Everything I could need.